Preschool Planet.
Good morning. Wake up.
5 more minutes, please.
No way, it's already 6 o'clock.
Really? It feels too early.
You have work today, remember?
Oh right, I forgot.
Come on, get up and take a shower.
Okay. I'm getting up.
I made coffee for you.
You're the best. Thank you.
What do you want for breakfast?
Maybe pancakes.
Oh no. We don't have milk.
What can we eat?
We have eggs and bread.
Great! Let's make eggs and toast.
I'll cook the eggs.
I'll toast the bread.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Coffee, please.
Okay.
Where's my phone?
Is it on the couch?
No, it's not there.
Look in the bathroom.
Oh, I found it on the counter.
You lose it every day.
I know.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop for downtown?
Yes, it is.
Which bus goes downtown?
Bus number 45.
When does it come?
Every 20 minutes.
Did I miss the bus?
No, the next one is at 9:40.
How much is a ticket?
$2.75 one way.
Can I pay on the bus?
Yes, but you need exact change.
How long is the ride?
About 25 minutes. 7 stops to downtown.
Oh, here comes the bus.
Let's get in line.
Should I signal the driver?
Yes, raise your hand.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Hi, Mom.
Hello, sweetie. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom. Just finished my classes.
That's good. Did you have lunch?
Not yet. I'm going to eat soon.
Don't skip lunch, okay?
Don't worry, Mom. I'll eat.
What did you study today?
We learned about animals in science class. It was fun.
That's nice. What are you doing now?
I'm waiting for the bus to go home.
Be careful on the way, okay?
Yes, Mom. Don't worry.
Okay, see you at home. Love you.
Love you too, Mom.
Bye.